Hi there everyone, and welcome to this week's Troubleshooting with Jay. This week I decided that I was going to talk about your bottle care for your glues on your powder polish. So often you go to open and you just can't get the blessed thing open, and people, that's just money down the drain if you're not caring for your bottles correctly. So my first thing is this is a brand new bottle. When I open the bottle, I open it, but when I close it all the way up, close, and then I bring it back a little step backwards. So then I find that when I then go to open it, it's easy to open, but it's not closed so tight that there's no chance I can get it open if there's any swelling or any leftover product. So that's my first tip. So don't close it all together. The other thing is when you're working, you don't want to be doing this business because you're pushing air into your glue, which is a bad thing, but also you can slap bits of glue all around the edges, and that's no good. And if you would come in closely, Grace, when you're applying, pull the brush out one way and just keep the bristles on one side and then go straight to the nail. So you're not messing about. You don't want to do this business, or I see all sorts of things going on. You basically want to come out, wipe one side straight to the nail. So I hope you could see that. And then what I wanted to show you, this is my old bottle. There's about this much left. In fact, I had a bit of an explosion, so the bottle looks a little bit pink. And this has been used over and over and over again, and I haven't used it for about a week and a half. I'm a little hopeless at cleaning up my bottle, but you can see that I don't clean it every single time. So you can see that there's no residue on it, but I will show you how to clean it. So all you need to do is grab your brush cleaner, which is step number 6. Don't use anything but this to do this job. Get enough on there, go across the top first, because if there's any breakdown of the plastic, it'll harden. It'll harden by the time you do it up. Just go around the outside like this. There's no need for cuticle oil. There's no need for anything else. I know way back in the start, we used to teach cuticle oil. Oh, and if you bugger up your brush, bugger's probably not a good word to use, but if you mess up your brush, this is my glue brush, you can put it into your brush cleaner, give it a good shake, pull it out, and then wipe it off, and then straight back into your glue, so it brings life back to your brush. You can see that now it's perfectly clean. There's no residue. Back in the day when we first started doing powder polish, we used to recommend that you clean the top of your brush with acetone. And I don't recommend that anymore, because what happens is the acetone starts to melt this part of the plastic, and you think it's okay. When you put it back in, the top part of here that contacts with the plastic re-hardens, and then they harden closed. So remember, they're my 2 handy dandy tips. Basically, actually there's 3. So you're not going to close it all the way. Tight, not too tight, and a little tiny bit back. So it's not super tight. You're going to clean only in brush cleaner, and you're going to be tidy when you come out. Pull it out on one side of the brush and straight to the nail. It works more efficiently anyway when you're applying, and it keeps your glue a-okay, ready to use. So that's my tips for this week. So as usual, please like and share, and any comments, please write them below. So I'll see you next week. Lots of love.